With the emerging of diverse services, users are looking for more powerful functions. HUAWEI Machine Learning Kit can help you improve your app experience even if you don't understand advanced algorithms. Machine Learning Kit has an out-of-the-box feature, so you only need to integrate its SDK into your app. You'll then have access to leading image, voice, and language services that are easy to use, AI-enabled, and intelligent. These services can adapt to all scenarios, various devices, and multiple languages. Machine Learning Kit provides you with excellent visual services, like detecting facial contours and 7 categories of facial emotions in real time. With Machine Learning Kit, users can quickly extract editable text from an image, even if the text direction box is tilted or the words are at a 45-degree angle. On devices, besides Latin, Machine Learning Kit can recognize Chinese, Japanese, and Korean that cannot be recognized by other kits of its kind. On the cloud, it can recognize 19 languages now, but will recognize more in the future. Machine Learning Kit also puts functions like image classification, object detection and tracking, and landmark recognition at your disposal. Supported by Huawei's powerful device-side framework, Machine Learning Kit's algorithms can be processed at a faster speed with general-purpose ARM chips and Huawei's NPU chips. This makes the kit more accurate and quicker than others of its kind. Machine Learning Kit provides both on-device and on-cloud APIs. It can work on both Android OS and iOS, so it is compatible with devices of Huawei and other brands. It's quick and works non-stop even if the device is not connected to the internet. On the cloud, based on the strong computing power, Machine Learning Kit supports more complex scenarios with high recognition accuracy. We'd love to have you use HUAWEI Machine Learning Kit to develop powerful, intelligent, and user-friendly apps.